cracking day again. Monday morning. Right, got a Fiesta pushed it. What I've still got to do is I've got to sort these wires for the reservoir. Sort that. What else I got to do? I want to get the cavities waxed inside the front cross member. There's a hole in the inner wings and a hole in the bulkhead. Proper holes so I can get the cavities into them. Same with the chassis legs. Also going to put up my ramps at the back and try and adjust the panhard rod slightly. See if I can get to stop scuffing on the other side. I'll get somebody to help me and we'll measure how far the wheels are from the inner tubs either side. Yeah, rubs at that side there, at the passenger side. So see if we can measure it and take out a distance, but we'll get that in a bit. Another wee job I'll start the day is I take these headlight surrounds off both sides, and then I'll get the adjusters to move. I'll come out when it's dark and try and adjust the headlights. I'll put one of the boys' sheets up against it because they were just flung in, the adjusters were unseized and never ever been set, so I'll see if I can get them somewhere. Anyway, till it's dark, but I'll take the covers off. I'll do that really well. I've just got it running to warm up. Oh, you pussycat. Lovely day though. Well, it is. Right, you can't really see, but I noticed something when I was doing the steering rack the other day. My suspicion's correct. See if I can get my head in. The brake pipe, the metal brake pipe, is awful close to the steering rack. And it's actually touching. That's probably what's burst the rack the last time. I don't know how that's got like that, but I'm going to have to sort that. Bend the pipe out the way, I'll put a new pipe on it. I'll switch it off now before I put my hand in about the fan belt. Actually, I need to bring the car this way so I've got room there. Airplane. I don't know if this is picking this up or not, but down where my fingertip is that brake pipe. I've just pulled it out the way a wee bit. That's probably been what's burst the old rack, you know that? The old rack boot. I don't know if that's been replaced or it's just got bent, but I think that's maybe a copper pipe or something. It's out the way now. Maybe it's been changed at one time, that pipe. Is it the road now anyway? I think it is copper the way it's bending. It's only been changed before. I've never done any brake pipes anyway. Aye, that's bent out the way good. Getting there with this now, so I am. Right, I decided what I'm going to do today. I'm going to get this Fiesta jacked up. I'm going to take all four wheels off it. And I'm going to clean all under the wheel arches. I did do it before I put it away, just take them and then any rust, get it treated and then get it waxed. Oh, put the handbrake on. Take these lockers off before I jack it up. So aye. Crack these lock wheel nuts, jack it up, it stands and blocks, got the wheels off it, get it all cleaned and treated, topped up. It's up today and it's done. Should really have the handbrake on though. Right, I've got all 4 wheels up in there, blocks at the front and stands at the back axle. So we've got all these wheels off. Looking a bit to the arts is what we're going to do. There's I don't fall over it. At the front end at the carport, just a wee bit. I've got the wheels off this car now, and I'm just running my hand on the inside. The chassis now, that's still quite good. See, but we'll get some stuff into it. Oh well. All good. Right, go and get a coffee. It's up there now. And I'll look at the stuff. Oh. Just messing about today, I've been doing other things, but I've come out to the shed. This is one of the wheels off the Fiesta. In my hand, these are the, I'd love to use these centres. At the moment I'm just using the plastic ones that's held in with the nuts. But these are off an Escort Mark III gear, but I've been trying for donkeys to find an old set of gear wheels, but I can't get them with the clips. So I'm looking for ideas for hiding these on there. Cage onto the bolts or something, I don't know. They look good though, eh? Is that good? Answers on a postcard. Just wondered if I could get like something in there that goes onto the bolts. We cut up a cage or a plastic mix. Don't know. We make something, a disc goes in there and it fits on the nuts. Or I really don't know, so I don't pop rivet wee brackets on there. You draw the wheels and it doesn't work a little bit, it'll be ruined. Not sure. Nice to get them on though. Solid. Right thing would be an old set of Escort wheels and take the right clips off them, but I just can't find them. So can I? Yeah, I'm just playing on my wheel here. That's the caps I'm running in there. It's these ones now. What I've come up with is Escort van centre caps. They've got a circle that fits round, or a metal thing. I think they'll fit in there, so in a case of cutting it down, butchering it, sticking it in there, I'll go on in theory. So they're only 25 quid for a set on eBay, so I think I'll take a punt. If I don't want to do that, I would just run them with the Escort caps without these for a change. But I want to change from these cups. Managed to find 4 bolts in the garage, but I should have another box of wheel studs, standard ones, because I want to go back to them. I'll put them on the nuts today just because I was trying it. I think that's what I'll do. Ah, first come down and sprayed all my wheel arch tubs with the wax oil. And it's a right messy job, and done all the cavities, the chassis legs, the front cross member, the bulkhead, yeah, all the bits under the bonnet. The air duct that goes in for the heater vent did that day. Oh, it's not sprayed it inside the car. Pretty sure it hasn't. Aye, good coating of it. I say the front of it had been done in the past, it just topping it up, but pointing on it now. So I will need to get it up in the ramps and wash all underneath and do the whole underside at some point, but that's the main bit done. Right, I'm going to go and get a coffee, come out and get the wheels back on this, dig out the wheel bolts. I think I remember where they are now. Put steel wheels on it and get it off the jacks and get it mobile. Right, I'm in the garage again, and I've found my other tubs of wheel bolts, so let's see if I can get enough stock steel wheel studs for the Fiesta. What have I got? 5 out there, 4 out there, 1 in my pocket, 2 here. Aye. I knew I had them somewhere, so I did. Okay, I'll be pointing here. R4. One. It's a little bit another flight, but sorted. Right, I've got more than enough standard wheel bolts in here, so that's great. And get rid of the mismatched studs that's on it, get rid of the lock wheel bolts. I'll go and clean the best, use the best ones of these and clean the best ones up. And the bench in front of me is the stuff we're using. It's no wax oil, it's similar stuff. Carplan stuff, does the same job. That's what I used this morning. But, aye, all the bolts are in there, so put them on the one tub now. And the ones I don't use, I'll come back and put in this tub too. Right, crack on. Right, I've got myself all my wheel bolts looked out and cleaned. I was just about to stick this wheel on it and I noticed there's a bit of grease in it. It's from the CV gator, but I think it's actually maybe old. I noticed there was a bit inside the wheel too, but it's a problem for another day. Let's see. I'll just check my brake disc was in line. Right, get my wheels on. Get it off the fucking jacks in there. Oh, very close. There we go. Bottom one in, not hold it flat. Lovely. Right, all 4 wheels back on, gunned up, stands are at the back, the blocks are at the front. Just let it off the jack now. I think that's gone. Oh, I've done it too quickly. Come on, you bugger. Got a block of wood under the gearbox cross member there. put my hand in there so I didn't. I'm just going down with a wee bar and just checking all my wheel bolts. I've got them all back in, as I say. It's just better for the steel wheels, the right steel bolts, I think. I was running a sort of mismatch set alloy wheel bolts and a locker, which there's no need for, but it was just because I didn't have another bolt the same in each one. But I'll keep them as a complete set. And because I'm talking, I kind of mind that I've done that. No, that's taken off. Get a proper feel for the threads. Aye, I'll keep that as a set for another set of wheel bolts. I've pushed it out the carport there now. I've finished knitting up these front bolts. So well, my hubcaps should be right. I'll give this Fiesta a wee start. I've been running a few days. I like to get a wee start after I've been messing about with it. Come on. Yeah. Let that run for a minute or two.